What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Drive New Hampshire. Today we're putting on a front lip, the Ikon Motorsports front lip on this 2005 STI. This lip will fit 2004 and 2005 STIs. The install should be pretty simple. We already have the old battered front lip off. All you'll need to install is the hardware that comes with it. We needed these to cut the zip ties off the old front lip, a 10mm socket or wrench if you have it, and a Phillips head screwdriver.
Alright, so now I'm going to start with these 3 mounting points in the middle to get this up and held so that I don't have to keep having a friend hold it. You're going to take these straight, I don't know what you'd call rounded cap, mushroom cap bolts. These are not the self-tapping ones that come in the kit. Don't use the self-tapping ones. Take the supplied washer, put it on the end, put it up through, take the nut, thread it from the top. I'm going to leave everything hand tight for now until I get everything aligned. Same thing on the other side. The straight rounded bolt with the washer, not the self-tapping. Line up the holes, thread the nut hand tight from the top, and get those 3 so now that you don't have to have someone support each end of the lip. It's holding up there on its own. Alright, I'm going to take the 10mm socket, go from the top, take the Phillips head, and just get these snug. These don't have to be wicked tight. Odds are you're going to break this off anyways and be replacing it. You don't want to over tighten these two because you'll pull the bolt and washer right through the plastic. The plastic is not very thick. Alright, so now I'm working my way around the outside. I have the front 3 in. I'm going to start working my way. I'm going to start to the passenger side of the car. You might have to adjust the lip a little bit when you're doing this. Push up from the bottom on the bolt and tighten down the nut. And take another one. I'm still using the rounded bolts, not the self-tapping screws. You'll see when the self-tapping screws have to be used.
So one thing you're going to notice, this bumper is a little bit warped too, so that doesn't help our cause, but after you get the front 3 middle bolts in there, you are going to have to play around with this and get it to line up so that this sits flush. Then you'll be able to put 4 and 5, number 4 and 5 bolts in. Okay, so Chris is doing the last part of this install because he's the owner. The front lip doesn't have any holes to line up with the factory holes on the lip, so he's taking the self-tapping screws, and
it would be much easier with the drill.
Yeah, this would be achieved much easier with the drill, but all Chris had was a screwdriver. So which edge are you lining up?
The inside of the fender, inside of the bumper to the inside of the lip, making it flush. I'm making my own new hole, but that's okay.
Okay guys, so that concludes the install on this Ikon Motorsports front bumper lip for this 2005 STI. As I said before, this should fit 2004 and 2005 STIs. Chris, the owner, has had other front lips in the past. He says the Ikon is the best looking, it fits the best, and it makes the car look a little bit lower. Okay, so be sure to check out the channel and subscribe if you haven't. I have another video of this STI on there. Check out the link in the description for my t-shirts on my website, just like this. I will see you guys in the next video. Happy motoring.